Hello guys, I am Jude. Today I will talk you about the OUTH 2.0 Strava. How it is working, we will simply check it in steps, what step we need to follow to get the authorization OUTH 2.0 with Strava. Okay. First of all, we need to send the request for requesting access. When we request access, then we send in first request that we want the code. The response in our first request, we receive that code, and then we send the second request for the token exchange, and we include that code we received in the first request. After sending second request, we receive access token and the refresh token. Access token is used to access the athlete activities and different type of functionalities you want to perform, but it has also include 6-hour expiry time. That time would be in seconds. Okay, you can also get that in response: access token, refresh token, and the expired time. For when your token get expired or it's seem near to expire, then you have to send the request for the refresh expired access token. This is the third request. If you are sending request, if your token has the time more than 1 hour in expire, okay, and you are sending request, then you get the same access token and the refresh token. But if its time is less than 1 hour in expire, then you send the third request, then you receive the new access token and the refresh token, and you working with that one. Okay, and when the token of first request has not expired yet because it has 40 or 50 minutes left, then this token is also valid for that time of about 40 minutes, and this token is also valid for next 6 hours. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.